Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview of this here terminal cleaner. This is going to be pretty quick because it's so simple. It's a no-brainer when it comes to these. I've had this for a number of years, and this is the easiest of all easy things when it comes to your battery terminals on your vehicle or lawnmower or anything that uses, one of those types of type car batteries where it might get some kind of corrosion. I'll give you an example of how this thing works. So it comes apart, so it's all nice and tight like this. It kind of grips together. It comes apart, and this piece right here, I'll show you, allows you to kind of like manually scrub, build up corrosion, if you will, on a battery terminal. So if it's like plugged in, like that, like the white stuff. I don't even know what it is. It's kind of like looks like sulfuric acid dust or something. I'm not really sure. But it can mess up the connectivity, and so your car is not getting the full dose of juice, if you will, from the battery. And so you have that, and then you have this, which if you stick your finger in there, you'll feel it's very, very rough. And this goes on top of the terminal. You twist it a whole bunch of times, it cleans it off and makes it look like brand new. And I'm gonna show you how it actually works. Pretty cool stuff. So here is a battery, one of my batteries here that I'm using. And side note, this is an Optima battery. This will work on any type of battery like this, any that has these lead tops. So if it doesn't have a lead top like this is, from my personal experience, I don't know what you'd use it for. Maybe there's some that screw in and then get corrosion. I've never used car batteries like that, but that's how I'm gonna use these. And then also, just side note, I always use these types of felt anti-corrosion disc, if you will. They're actually really soft. And so you put the green one over the negative, you put the red over the positive, put that down. It actually has some adjustments here depending on the size of the terminal that you have. Put it down, and then you clamp down, and that just helps minimize corrosion. I didn't know about this until somebody at a body shop, auto shop, was changing my battery, and they're like, "You need to have these, man. It'll save you some headache." So that's a side note. But then you have this. Take this, you stick it right down. You just spin it like that, pop it off, and then it'll be nice and clean. Or if you had this, you can go around and scrape this nice and clean as well. So then, as you can see, it is like almost like it takes like a microscopic layer off. It gives you a really, really, really clean terminal top. And so if you're using this, you have to take the terminal off like I just showed you. If you're using this, you do not. You can kind of work around everything. I just think it's the best practice to take the whole thing off and go to town on it. So if you're looking for something to keep your terminals clean, this will work. Hopefully that helps.